Welcome to the Mega Crunch Amplifier! Testing volume 1, 2.
Doctor, it's too loud! Just one more level! Maximum crunch! Crunchy crunch!
Splashy splash!
Rainbow colors in a milky dash!
Cereal rings flying everywhere!
It's a yummy tummy party in the air! Funny box!
Look at the river, it's white and sweet.
Milk River! Giant cereal boxes on every street!
The clouds are made of milky foam.
Raining cereal on our home!
Look at the giant milk waterfall.
It's the biggest breakfast left on earth!
Cross the giant spoon bridge, hold on tight.
My swimming floatie is a cereal ring!
Cereal float. I want to take a little bite.
Check out my spoon jet ski! Watch me go!
Splashing colorful rings to and fro.
Mush sound! Doctor, you have a milk mustache on your face?
And cereal on my glasses. What a disgrace.
Look at the cows! They are cardboard boxes that walk! This is the craziest breakfast talk!
Okay, party over. Time for the D-Crunch Ray.
Zap, 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 zap! Blow the milk away! The milk is shrinking, the rings are gone. The city is back to normal. Bring it on! That was fun. But I'm still hungry for real.
Quack! Me too! Let's eat this meal! Okay.
Just a normal boy.